Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the items I got from Home Depot, which is going to be the Milwaukee shop vac, wet and dry shop vac, as well as a couple little accessories, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so we're just going to do a quick unboxing of the shop vac, or wet and dry vac by Milwaukee, which is item number 0880-20, as well as this 3-piece adapter kit, 1 7/8 to 1 1/4, 2.5 to 1 7/8, and 2.5 to 2.5. I got this so that way I can use this Craftsman shop vac's hose or even the accessories, anything like that, on the 1 1/4 Milwaukee. So it's got the 2.5, I believe. Yep, 2.5 to 2.5. It has the 2.5 to 1 7/8, and then it has the 1 7/8 to the 1 1/4. The next thing I picked up is the multi-fit accessory. These both rang up at the register with Rigid's name on them, but they don't say Rigid on them, so I don't know. But this one is Victor Tony 1215. It is a micro cleaning kit for machines that have 1 1/4 inch hose. Already dropping shit. Alright, so here's the full-size tip, and then it has all of these extensions, a little bitty small brush, and a little tiny baby crevice tool. And then it looks like a little small fabric brush. Alright. Let me get a box cover. And this is bare tool, again, just to let you guys know. There is a difference between the Milwaukee M18 0880-20 old and 0880-20 new. I'm assuming this is the new model. The new model, the hose stays in the machine, and the new model also is outfitted by the manufacturer to be able to take the M12 batteries, or not the M12 batteries, but the 12 amp hour high output batteries. Box out the way. Which this does look like the newer model. Yeah, I believe this is the newer model. It's got the twist lock for the hose on the inside. Comes with a crevice tool. This wide mouth tool. And it does look like it will take the 12. Here's an 8. I haven't gotten my 12 from International Tool yet. So here's an 8. Yeah, it looks like it's got plenty of space. It's got a blower on the side, I noticed. It is very nice. everything fits inside it. Just figured I'd turn it on real quick for you guys. Can do a more in-depth later down the road. Also has the instruction book and M12, M18, nothing but heavy duty guide that shows you about all the tools. That was just going to be a real quick unboxing of everything. I do like that it's got nice handles. There's 2 latches. It's got the HEPA filter. I like the kind of hammered finish on the bottom, which is pretty nice. And the top is smooth. But this is everything I picked up for this trip to Home Depot. I'll do the other things that I picked up first in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.